Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix system restore error code 0x80042302 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also trying to restore your system and failed with error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose run. In run command box, type services services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here under available services list, scroll down and go to W alphabet, and here look for volume shadow copy. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows, and service status, click on start and go to a startup type section and choose service startup type as automatic, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. The second services is again scroll down and look for the services Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider. Same process, apply a double click on it and start it. Make sure that this services is in start mode and set a startup type as automatic. Click on a small arrow and choose automatic and click on apply and OK to save the changes. The one more services, scroll down and look for the services Windows Management Instrumentation Service. Apply a double click on it to open its properties, and service status should be start and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. Close this window, services windows, close this and check whether your system restore error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and first in run dialog box type msconfig, click on OK, and here from the top menu bar go to services, clean boot your system, go to boot option and here choose safe boot and minimal and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Means open your windows in safe mode and thereafter right click on start button, choose run and type the system restore command rstrui and click on OK and check whether this is opening or not in safe mode. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup wizard. Here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist. Click on OK and a new window will open. Here make the check against all these options: temporary internet files, downloaded program files, delivery optimization files, temporary files, thumbnails, recycle bin, and finally click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Click on delete files. There may be a possibility of disk space issue, so you must apply disk cleanup and check whether system restore working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type cmd in search field and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute the command, these three DISM tool one by one. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And after that, execute the command sfc scan now. Once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. This command will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process, and after that close the window, restart your system. Your system restore error code definitely be resolved. That's all.